Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. First of all, Ramzan Mubarak to everyone who's watching. Today currently when I'm filming this video is 11th of March and already 11 रोजे हो चुके हैं. Alhamdulillah, all my fastings are going really well and I'm looking forward for Eid as well. So let me know in the comment section down below if you are celebrating Eid. How is your Ramzan going and everything? Let me know in the comment section down below. So today's video is going to be a decor, glassware, crockery kind of a haul video. I made a purchase on Meesho, Amazon, Nastasia and also a plant from Swiggy Instamart. So I really wanted to show you these products. Actually ये वीडियो मैं रमजान शुरू होने से पहले रिकॉर्ड करना चाह रही थी बट द डिलीवरी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स वाज रियली डिलेड एंड स्पेशली मीशो के प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिले हुए हैं. So yeah, I'm really frustrated about that. So if you're looking out for some affordable decor options, glassware, crockery items for your Ramzan or any festival, this video is for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, let's quickly jump straight into the video. So the first item that I have is this beautiful glass jar, glass jug, however you want to call it. It has this wooden lid. ये बहुत ही अच्छा quality का jug लगा मुझे. I ordered this from Meesho and the suction of this lid is also really good. I've been using this to put sharbat in for my iftars and it's very sturdy. The lid is very sturdy. It doesn't fall off when you're pouring your juices. And it also has a strainer here as you can see. So I really like this. It is very cute and very Pinteresty aesthetic kind of a thing. Quality of the jar is very thin and it seems very delicate. So इसको बहुत ही ध्यान से I handle. So yeah, this is really cute on the iftar table and everything. By the way, all the links of the products will be mentioned in the description box so that it's easy for you while purchasing. So yeah, the first product is this cute little jar. Next product is actually these glasses. These are fluted glasses. These have been trending on Instagram. I've been searching for these glasses here and there and मुझे ये Meesho पे मिले and बहुत ही affordable range में. And the quality of these glasses are also so good. It's actually really heavy and thick भी है ये glasses which I really like. The texture is fluted as you can see and it also comes with a lid. इसका suction मुझे उतना खास नहीं लगा but still it works and you also get a glass straw which is right now in the kitchen. I forgot to bring it in here. So yeah, these are the fluted glasses. I will definitely recommend this guys. बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's very affordable as well. By the way, all the products that I'm showing, all of them have reached to me without any issues. कोई delivery issues, कोई breakage, कुछ भी नहीं था. Everything were nicely packed in a bubble wrap and I really appreciate that. Although these are from Meesho, these are very affordable because this is glassware. So I was skeptical about it, but I have to say that the delivery was very seamless. Although it was a late delivery, but the products have delivered in a very good condition. Ramadan decoration is incomplete without lantern guys, so I purchased these lanterns. This is so pretty. Quality is really good. The size, I wish the size was a little bit more bigger and taller as well, but it's okay, it's fine, it's really nice. It is nice and sturdy. The quality is also nice. The lanterns का vibe मुझे बहुत पसंद है. That's why I got quite a few of lanterns. So yeah, the first two as I said are these tall ones. One is in the yellow shade and the other is in the blue shade. The next item are also lanterns and ये छोटे वाले lanterns है. So I got a set of 4 which goes really well with the combination of these taller ones. So yeah, these smaller ones are so tiny. Again, the quality is really good. The colors are really pretty. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आए ये lanterns. These are very affordable as well and they just make the vibe of your dining area. The other lanterns that I have purchased are these ones which is not yet delivered, but these are the bigger ones, I hope. So I got this delivered after 2 days. I really like the size of it. I really like that it has a window kind of an opening which looks really cute. But I have to mention that the bigger one, the side of it is a little bit disoriented. As you can see, इसका जो mesh है side पे, ये थोड़ा सा bulged है. Otherwise it is really good. I don't know if this happened during the delivery or what, but yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Otherwise it looks really cute. This is another item जो अभी तक deliver हुआ नहीं है. This is like a crescent moon. You can put dates or dry fruits in that crescent moon. It just looks so good, guys. But it's not yet delivered. I'm just waiting for this to be delivered and I can put it on the table. So yeah, those were the two products जो अभी तक deliver हुए नहीं है. That's pretty irritating. But let's talk about the other product. The next item are these ceramic plates. This is set of 3 ceramic plates. It comes in 3 different sizes. It is very heavy, guys. ये बहुत ज़्यादा heavy है. It almost weighs 6 kilos, I think. So yeah, it's very heavy. I have to be very careful when I'm handling this. But yeah, it comes with this small. The other one is this medium-sized one. And it's a really good quality. Quality wise बहुत अच्छा है. It did not come chipped or anything. बहुत ही अच्छा quality है. But the only thing, it's very heavy. So once you pour your food and everything, you have to be very careful कि ये slip ना हो जाए, because oils and everything can, make this slippery. So yeah, the only thing is it is slippery. Otherwise, it's a great quality. And obviously you have a normal meal size plate as well. So that's the medium size and this is the meal bigger size. And actually I got this free vase with those ceramic plates. I was surprised कि मैंने ये order नहीं किया था. Was this personalized note on in the box. They wanted me to just review this, show it on Instagram and everything. But yeah, this is so cute. ये बहुत ही प्यारा है. इसका quality बहुत अच्छा है. You can just put it as it is on the dresser. It will look really chic and elegant. I did not expect this from Meesho कि Meesho में से कुछ free भी मिलेगा और इतने अच्छे quality का. So yeah, kudos to the seller. The other product is actually my favorite one. This is this cake holder from Nastasia. इसमें बहुत सारे color variants भी available है. You can get it in white, you can get it in green also. I chose black and gold, as you can see. This is a 2-tier thing and I really love the quality of this. It is really good. You can put your iftar preparations over here. You can put your dry fruits, nuts, fruits, whatever. This will definitely elevate your dinner table. So yeah, this is that. I really love this, guys. बहुत ही cute है and it's actually a right size for 3 people or 4 people in a house. बहुत ही correct size है and I really love the price point as well. The quality is also really good. Next couple of things are pretty basic. These are few tea light. These are the crystal ones. These are not the opaque ones. तो ये थोड़ा और character देता है when you lit it. It looks like a crystal kind of a thing. I got this from Swiggy Instamart actually. This were a pack of 6 or something. बहुत ही affordable था and the quality is also really nice. बहुत ही basic चीज़ है but it adds so much more character to your decor. The 2 items are also very basic but add so much character. These are fairy lights. So I found it really handy because sometimes you just don't want to plug your LED lights and this is battery one. So yeah, this is quite handy, very affordable as well. Pack of 2 मुझे I think 120 का कुछ पड़ा था. Again, I bought this from Swiggy Instamart. Speaking of Swiggy Instamart, I have a new family member to introduce you. It is this cute jade plant. This is from the brand Ugao and it comes in this Ibiza pot. Very nice quality. It came wrapped up really nicely. I don't have the picture when it was delivered, magar I can assure you that it came in a very good quality. These plants don't need a lot of maintenance. बहुत ही low maintenance plants है. You just need to add some water every now and then and it just thrives. So yeah, that is that. The next product is actually from Amazon. I can't really bring it up here and show it to you, so I'll put a picture or a video over here for you guys. So it is this 5-tier basket rack that I've purchased and it's in the black color. I bought it from Amazon. It's really good if you have shortage of storage and if you have things laying around on your table and you want something to be reachable but yet hidden and really neat and clean. This is a really good product. It is portable, so that's very handy. You can pull it up to your dining table whenever you're having your meal or anything. I was looking out for something like this for a really long time, which is portable, handy. It has a couple of racks. You can also store your onions and potatoes in here. So yeah, this rack is so good. It just made my dining area so clutter free right now, which I really love. And I added this beautiful jade plant on top of it, which looks super cute. It has a place of its own. So yeah, that is that. So yeah, those were all the products that I've recently purchased for adding some character to my iftar decorations and everything. But I do have a couple of recommendations for you guys. So if you're looking out for some serving dishes, these dishes are really good. ये बहुत ही बड़े size में आते हैं. It looks very aesthetic as well. And if you're throwing a feast or a party like an iftar dawat, this would be very handy to serve your biryanis, for serving your curries and everything. This would be great. I would definitely recommend you to check this out. My other recommendation is this cute little tiny bowls. You can use this as your dip bowl. You can add your sauces, your chutneys and all of that and put it on the center of the table. It just looks so good, guys. This is definitely something that I'm eyeing on purchasing. Nastasia has some really good collection of this tiny little bowls and stuff, which is really good. So I would highly recommend this one as well. So yeah, these were all the products that I wanted to share with you guys. If you're still looking out for some decor items, if you are throwing a iftar party and looking out for some table decors as well, so this would be really helpful, I hope. So yeah, that's pretty much it. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'll see you guys soon in my next video.